Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ZetaChain token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ZetaChain is a foundational blockchain layer designed to unify the fragmented crypto and AI landscapes by enabling seamless communication and value transfer between any blockchain and cross multiple AI models. Universal interoperability. It connects disparate blockchain, including Bitcoin and Solana, allowing assets and data to move natively without bridges or wrapped tokens. AI integration layer. Its ZetaChain 2.0 upgrade provides tools for developers to build applications that operates across multiple AI models with built-in privacy and user control. Money developer-centric model. The platform enables developers to write a single omnichain smart contract that can interact with any connected chain following a built once launch everywhere philosophy. ZetaChain project institution rating is 4.5 and this project audited by Serating and Hacken. ZetaChain token total supply is 2.1 billion and circulating supply is around 1.36 billion Zeta token. Zeta token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.